Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option on how to move a floating accessibility shortcut button for switch access to a navigation bar location in Realme 14 Pro phone. So we have our floating button right here. We want to make it so that the shortcut will be visible on the navigation bar. How to do it? First of all, we need to go to settings, then accessibility and convenience, next accessibility, then we need to tap the interaction tab, and here we have switch access. Now, we have our shortcut enabled, we have our floating button, so we need to tap the shortcut option, then more options link, and here we have the location. So we need to choose location and then tap navigation bar, and our shortcut is now here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.